Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we take an in-depth look at the products that matter most. Today, we're talking about the Waring Commercial 700S blender, an industrial-grade machine that's built to handle heavy-duty blending tasks. If you're in the market for something reliable and efficient for your commercial kitchen, this is a product you'll want to stick around for. The Waring Commercial 700S blender is designed with serious performance in mind. It features a single-speed motor that spins up to 22,000 RPM, offering the power needed for quick and efficient blending. The 32-ounce container is made from stainless steel, which not only gives it a sleek, durable look, but also enhances its longevity. With a stainless steel blade, it promises precision cutting and blending, ensuring your ingredients are mixed to perfection every time. This blender is built for heavy use, featuring a toggle switch design that's easy to locate, even in dimly lit environments. This is a thoughtful touch for busy kitchens or anyone working in a fast-paced setting. The housing is made from epoxy powder-coated zinc die-cast material, providing a strong, sturdy frame that can handle the pressures of constant use, all while giving it that classic waterfall design that stands out in any workspace. The measurements are 16.5 inches in height, 8 inches in width, and 7 inches in depth, meaning it strikes a balance between compactness and capacity. When it comes to real-world performance, the Waring Commercial 700S is incredibly straightforward to set up and operate. There's no complex digital interface to deal with, just a simple toggle switch that makes it easy to control. I tested it with a variety of tasks, from blending smoothies to crushing ice, and it consistently delivered smooth, consistent results. The 22,000 RPM speed is powerful enough for most commercial applications, so whether you're working with hard ice or tough vegetables, it handles the job without issue. One thing that stood out during testing was how sturdy and reliable the blender felt. The stainless steel container didn't flex or show any signs of wear, even after multiple uses. That said, while the single-speed operation works for most basic tasks, some users might find the lack of variable speeds a limitation, particularly if you need more control over blending precision. For the everyday kitchen task, though, it gets the job done with ease. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Waring 700S blender is impressively durable. Its stainless steel construction, coupled with the heavy-duty zinc die-cast housing, means it's built to last. The toggle switch design is another highlight. It's easy to use and really simplifies the process, especially in a busy kitchen environment. Plus, it delivers powerful performance with its 22,000 RPM speed, making quick work of blending tasks. On the flip side, the lack of multiple speed settings might turn some users away. It's not a deal breaker, but for those who need more control over their blending, it could be a drawback. Additionally, while the 32-ounce capacity is fine for smaller batches, larger operations might find themselves wishing for something with more volume, especially in a high-demand commercial setting. When it comes to value for money, the Waring Commercial 700S blender sits at a price point that reflects its industrial-grade build and performance. It's not the cheapest option out there, but given its durability, ease of use, and powerful performance, it offers good value for the money. If you compare it to other commercial blenders, many similar models feature either lower speeds or less durable containers at a similar price, so the Waring holds up well in terms of both performance and reliability. In terms of comparisons, there are other blenders in the market with similar capacities, but most of them either lack the robust build quality or the high RPM speed that this one offers. For instance, the Blendtec or Vitamix commercial models often come with multiple speed settings and more advanced features, but they also come at a higher price. The Waring is a solid option for those who need something simple, durable, and powerful without all the extra features that might go unused in a basic commercial kitchen setup. As far as build quality and longevity go, this blender feels rock solid. The epoxy powder-coated zinc die-cast housing is tough enough to withstand regular use without showing signs of damage. The stainless steel container and blade should hold up over time, offering long-term durability for most commercial environments. While we don't have long-term data yet on this specific model, the Waring brand has a solid reputation for building reliable commercial kitchen appliances, so it's safe to expect this one to live up to those standards. When it comes to customer support, I didn't need to reach out during my testing, but Waring is generally known for having responsive support for their commercial products. The company's reputation for reliability and their commitment to quality is another reassuring factor for anyone considering this blender. In terms of updates, the Waring Commercial 700S blender doesn't rely on software or firmware updates, so there's no need to worry about that aspect. It's a plug-and-play appliance that gets the job done without needing regular updates. To wrap it up, the Waring Commercial 700S blender is a no-nonsense, high-performance blender designed to stand up to the demands of any commercial kitchen. It's powerful, durable, and straightforward to use, making it a solid choice for small to medium-sized commercial operations. The lack of multiple speed settings might be a limitation for some, but if you need a reliable, high-speed blender for basic blending tasks, the Waring 700S offers excellent value for the price. If you're looking for something that's built to last and can handle a lot of use without breaking the bank, this blender is worth considering. It's perfect for kitchens that need something simple, durable, and powerful. Thanks for tuning in to Reviews Inside TV. If you've enjoyed the review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Have you used the Waring 700S, or do you have questions about it? Let us know in the comments below. The link to get your own is in the description box. Goodbye till next time, and keep blending.